What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. For anybody who's brand new, this is my 2020 Ford F-150 lead-foot gray XLT 4x4 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine in it. So I've been doing some mods to this truck, and right now I'm working on the interior. Now, when I picked up this truck initially, I wanted to get the carbon fiber package installed on this truck, but that was going to run me like $4,000. So I was like, no chance. And even like an OEM carbon fiber package on eBay was still going to run me like $2,000 or something crazy like that, and I just was not going to spend that much money. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I spent less than $100 on these various carbon fiber trim cover pieces. Now these are like a hard plastic cover piece with double-sided tape on the other side. These pieces are going to cover all like the parts that control like the doors, or the windows rather, that go up and down. This is going to cover the steering wheel, and then this is going to cover some miscellaneous stuff behind the steering wheel on like the gauge, the little display where the speedometer is. Now I will note that on this truck there are already some carbon fiber accents on the interior. So this little bezel right here, as you all can see, this is carbon fiber. Not really sure why they didn't put any other carbon fiber anywhere else in the truck, but I figure I like carbon fiber. I already have some in here, so why not do some other pieces around here on the inside to complete the carbon fiber look and not break the bank. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and I'll tell you guys if I would suggest it for your truck or not.
It's time to get to work. Get to work, boys.
So the installation for these things really could not be any more simple. They come in these little plastic packages, but the installation for them is a double-sided 3M tape on the backhand side. So to install it, obviously clean off the surface that you're going to be sticking this onto. You'll peel off the red covers right here, and then you'll just put it face down. Just looking at this carbon fiber pattern right now, I can already tell this is going to look amazing next to that bezel that I showed you that's right next to the door handle. So yeah, I'm going to install these. I'm going to install the one on the steering wheel and all that good stuff, and then we'll show you guys the before and after shots.
What a trouble with love is. What a trouble with love is. What a trouble with love is. Trouble with love is. What a trouble with love is.
Okay guys, so I'm here in the truck now. Everything's installed. It looks awesome. I think my favorite is the way that the whole like steering wheel assembly slash stuff right here goes. The curves and the fit of this stuff is awesome. I will say there's a little bit of a gap on the bottom down there, but for the most part, this looks so badass. This was a perfect fit. Steering wheel was a perfect fit. All the bezels next to the door, the things that you roll up the window with. It just adds such a tasteful little splash of everything. This company who makes all this stuff also makes stuff that cover these like AC vents right here and your little entertainment center. And I definitely know I'm gonna have to pick some of those things up now because this stuff on my truck looks so awesome. All right guys, so all the pieces are installed on the truck and it looks amazing. I know I harp on this all the time in my channel, but I really that was the whole purpose of making this channel in the first place, was to show you guys that there are cheap alternatives that you can do yourself at home to make your cars look awesome. This entire kit that I just installed on my truck right now costed like $90.73 or something like that, and it looks awesome. If I had bought this carbon fiber package from factory, it would have cost me $4,000. If I had bought an OEM carbon fiber package on eBay, it still would have costed me $2,000. All these super awesome, really good looking carbon fiber pieces, like I said, only costed me about $90, and this is absolutely something that you can do for yourselves. And don't worry, if you don't have one of the newer model trucks, they make Voodoo Nala is the company that makes these. Hopefully I said that right, but that's the company that makes these, and they make these different carbon fiber pieces for older model vehicles too. I don't know if they make them for, Chevrolets, Nissans, Toyotas, and that kind of stuff, but they definitely do make it for some of the older F-150s as well. So all these products will be linked in the description of my videos. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. If you guys click on those links, obviously it helps me out a lot too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave in the comments down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. We're at over 7,000 subscribers right now. If you're brand new, consider subscribing. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm just very thankful for all you guys, for all of your support. I'm just making videos on my truck and having fun doing it, and I'm really happy and I'm really blessed that I get to share that with you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Where the trouble